Imagine for a moment that you could press pause on eating for just a day and a half. No breakfast, no lunch, no dinner, not even a midnight snack. What if this simple act, skipping food for 36 hours, could activate hidden mechanisms inside you? What if, instead of being a test of willpower or a risky fad, fasting was the key to unlocking ancient survival systems that repair damage, sharpen your mind, and help your body burn fat more efficiently than ever before? It sounds almost too good to be true. But as we journey through the science of fasting, you'll discover that the reality is both fascinating and surprising. Let's take a deep dive inside your body, hour by hour, system by system, as you embark on a 36-hour fast. We'll witness the dramatic transitions your body makes, from tapping into its emergency fuel tanks to switching on cellular spring cleaning, and finally, to resetting your metabolism for lasting health. It all starts with that last meal. Maybe it's a quiet dinner at 8 p.m., the final bite as the sun sets. You put down your fork, not knowing that this is the beginning of a transformation. In the first hours, nothing seems unusual. Your digestive system hums along, breaking down the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins you just ate. Glucose, the most accessible form of energy, floods your bloodstream, providing fuel for your muscles, organs, and brain. But as the hours tick by, your body begins to sense that the usual supply of food is missing. The countdown begins. During the first 6 to 12 hours, you're running on reserves. Your liver stores a special stash of glucose called glycogen, about 100 grams, enough for a quick sprint, but not a marathon. As you sleep and wake, your body draws from this fuel tank. Glycogen molecules break down, releasing glucose into your bloodstream to keep everything functioning smoothly. In this stage, you might feel a little hungry or irritable. That's your body's way of nudging you to eat again, to refill the tank. But you resist, and the system must adapt. By the 12-hour mark, the glycogen supply is almost gone. Your body faces a crossroads. Where will it get energy now? This is when things really change. Your metabolism pivots to its backup plan, fat burning. Deep within your fat cells, stored triglycerides begin to break apart, releasing fatty acids into your blood. These fatty acids sweep through your body, heading straight for your liver. There, they're transformed into ketones, powerful molecules that provide an alternative fuel source. Your brain, always hungry for energy, starts to thrive on ketones. This transition is called ketosis, and it's the metabolic state that powers your body during prolonged fasting. If you pay close attention during this phase, you might notice something remarkable. The hunger you felt earlier starts to fade. Many people report a sense of calm, steadier energy, and mental clarity. Your body, once desperate for its usual sugar fix, now runs smoothly on fat and ketones. But it's not always easy. Hunger hormones like ghrelin surge, testing your resolve. Your stomach might rumble and cravings can flare. But if you push through the first wave, your body adapts. Hunger often decreases after 16 to 18 hours, making the fast more bearable. Around the 24-hour mark, you enter the realm of cellular repair. Here, the magic of autophagy begins. Autophagy, which literally means self-eating, is your body's built-in recycling system. Old, damaged cellular components, misfolded proteins, worn-out mitochondria, and broken organelles get tagged and dismantled for parts. It's like a spring cleaning at the microscopic level. Your cells clear out the junk, using the raw materials to build new, healthy structures. Scientists believe this process is one reason fasting is linked to anti-aging, reduced risk of certain diseases, and even protection against neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. But that's not all. During the fast, your body ramps up production of growth hormone, sometimes up to 5 times higher than normal. Growth hormone helps preserve muscle mass, accelerates fat burning, and triggers cellular regeneration. Instead of slowing down, your metabolism is working smarter, repairing and renewing itself. Many people report feeling sharper, more focused, and even energized at this stage. The mental fog of early hunger lifts, replaced by a clarity that's hard to describe until you experience it. Now you've reached the critical stretch, the 30 to 36-hour window. Here, your body is fully adapted to fasting mode. Insulin levels, which regulate blood sugar, have dropped significantly. This is good news. Low insulin allows stored fat to be burned more efficiently. In fact, your body becomes better at handling glucose when you eat again, thanks to improved insulin sensitivity. Your fat stores continue to shrink, fueling your brain and muscles with ketones. Meanwhile, your digestive system gets a chance to rest and recover. Inflammation markers decline, and your immune system strengthens as old, less effective white blood cells are recycled. By the 36-hour mark, something extraordinary has happened. Your body has completed a powerful metabolic reset. You've reduced inflammation, boosted cellular repair, and given your body the space it needs to run on its most primal survival systems. In our modern world of constant eating, these systems rarely get activated, yet they're built into your DNA, waiting for the chance to shine. But before you leap into a 36-hour fast, it's crucial to understand the risks and considerations. Fasting isn't for everyone. Extended fasts can be challenging, and they do carry potential dangers. People with diabetes, eating disorders, certain medical conditions, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding should avoid prolonged fasting unless supervised by a healthcare professional. Possible side effects include fatigue, irritability, dizziness, and low blood sugar. Above all, it's essential to listen to your body. If you feel faint or unwell, fasting may not be the right approach for you. Always consult your doctor before attempting any extended fast. Done safely, fasting can be powerful. Done recklessly, it can be harmful. Let's imagine you've made it to the 36-hour mark. You're ready to break your fast. But how you do it is just as important as the fast itself. Your digestive system has been resting, your insulin levels are low, and your gut microbiome is more sensitive than usual. The best way to break a long fast is with light, nutrient-dense foods. Bone broth or soup can help reintroduce electrolytes. Steamed vegetables or fruit provide fiber and vitamins. Lean protein or healthy fats stabilize blood sugar. Jumping straight into heavy, greasy, or sugary foods can shock your system and undo some of the benefits. Think of it like rebooting a computer. You want to start gently, not overload it right away. Why does fasting trigger such profound changes? The answer lies deep in human evolution. For thousands of years, our ancestors didn't have constant access to food. Periods of feast and famine shaped the human body to survive without eating for extended times. Fasting isn't a modern hack. It's an ancient survival mechanism hardwired into our DNA. When food is scarce, your body doesn't shut down. It switches to backup systems, repairing damage and conserving energy while keeping you sharp enough to find your next meal. In other words, fasting is one of the most natural things your body can do. So, should you try a 36-hour fast? If you're healthy, curious, and properly prepared, the benefits can be profound. Efficient fat burning, autophagy-driven cellular repair, heightened mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and improved insulin sensitivity. But remember, fasting is a tool, not a magic pill. It works best alongside a healthy lifestyle, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and proper sleep. And it doesn't have to be 36 hours. Even shorter fasts, like 16 or 24 hours, can activate some of these benefits. The key is consistency and safety, not pushing your limits recklessly. Let's recap the journey. When you stop eating for 36 hours, your body transforms. First, it burns through its short-term fuel stores of glycogen. Then, it pivots to fat burning, sending fatty acids through your bloodstream and powering your brain with ketones. Hunger comes in waves, but often fades as your metabolism adapts. Autophagy activates, cleaning and repairing your cells from the inside out. Growth hormone surges, protecting your muscle and boosting regeneration. By the end, your metabolism is reset, inflammation is down, and your body is running on its most efficient, ancient survival systems. But fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful tool for health and longevity when used wisely, but it can be risky if approached carelessly. If you're intrigued by the science, consider starting with shorter fasts, building up gradually, and always listening to your body's signals. Safe fasting can unlock benefits that go far beyond simple weight loss. It's about renewing and restoring your body at the cellular level. Imagine your body as the most incredible machine you'll ever own. It's capable of adapting, repairing, and thriving in ways that are only now being rediscovered by modern science. By giving it space, sometimes stepping back from constant eating, you allow its hidden systems to activate, clean house, and reset. You become sharper, leaner, and more resilient. Fasting isn't just about food. It's about tapping into the deep wisdom of your biology. As you consider the possibilities, remember that health is a journey. Fasting is just one tool among many. The real power lies in understanding, respecting, and nurturing your body. Whether you decide to try a 36-hour fast or simply become more mindful of your eating habits, you're taking a step toward unlocking your full potential. So what really happens if you don't eat for 36 hours? Your body switches from burning sugar to fat, activates autophagy to clean and repair cells, boosts growth hormone for muscle preservation, sharpens your mind with ketones, and resets your metabolism for improved health. It's a profound transformation, one that connects you to your evolutionary roots and reveals the hidden strengths within. If you're inspired by this exploration of the science of fasting, take a moment to reflect. Could you give your body the gift of space to repair itself? Could you tap into these ancient, powerful systems? The choice is yours, and the potential is remarkable. Remember, your body is not just a vessel. It's a dynamic, adaptive, and resilient machine. Treat it with care, feed it wisely, and sometimes give it the chance to show you what it can really do. Whether you fast for 12 hours, 24 hours, or even 36, you're embarking on a journey of renewal, clarity, and strength. Take the next step, informed and prepared, and discover the incredible potential that lies within you. Your health, your energy, and your resilience are waiting to be unlocked.